Up next, another story not to be missed.
A shocking recent study showed that over 2/3 of Americans don't have their own will. This systemic lack of proper estate planning can cause painful problems for loved ones who are left to sort things out. Luckily, in Texas, one law firm is making it easier than ever to write and execute a will. Meet the team at Martin Lawyers.
Martin Lawyers is the law firm that you've been waiting on. We take stock in our clients' lives and we make sure that we do what they want to do. Most people don't have a will, but every single person knows that they should. What we do is we do make it easy on our clients. They can make all of the decisions and take all the steps necessary to get an estate plan done from the comfort of their home. We've basically boiled down to all of the important questions like, who do you want to be in charge of your estate? Who would you want to be in charge of your children if something were to happen to both of you? And we try and keep the legalese out of it. It's really just like a conversation with people.
People consistently cite 4 main reasons why they don't have a will. The first one is that they don't think they have enough stuff to require one, and I would just say that's simply not true. Most people, if you've got a house, a car, a bank account, you need some kind of estate planning to dispose of that. The other reasons people cite is that they think the cost is prohibitive. They just haven't gotten around to it, or also they don't know where to go. A lot of people don't know an attorney or an estate planning attorney, and so they don't have any idea where to start. And so we work really hard to try to alleviate that for people by our intake process, our payment plan options for people to make it really accessible to everybody because everyone needs it.
Martin Lawyers is not a typical law firm. Their goal is to level the playing field for their clients and break down the barriers that have kept so many people from having a will in the past. And their clients love them for it.
Life changes drastically about every 6 months, but we feel like we're young enough where we have time to procrastinate, but in reality, we never know what's coming, so if it only takes a little bit of time to do our will, then we might as well just get it done.
If I go to on-base lawyers, and while I was in the military, they give you a big 45-page packet that'll take you 6 months to fill out, but it was just real simple with Erik and Weston also just emailed us the forms.
The process was really simple. He just had an email sent and you type in a couple things or choose from a drop down, and about 30 minutes later it's done.
We've streamlined our intake process. So we basically just send out an online questionnaire. You fill in all the information that we ask for, and that's basically all we need to get started. We also price ourselves competitively and offer payment plans for people to make sure that estate planning is affordable for everyone as well, because if you don't have a will, the probate process takes so much longer and is so much more expensive.
But why does a will matter anyway? Is it really that big of a deal for you to have?
The reason that you need a will is really not for you. It's really for your family, because you're going to be gone and the family is grieving, but immediately somebody has to take charge of the situation. There's debts that have to be paid, there's mortgages that have to be paid. And so if you have a will, there's someone in charge already. The family doesn't have to worry about who's going to take control or who's going to get what assets. And so really it's peace of mind for you in your lifetime, and then it's a roadmap for your family on what to do after you're gone.
I've had some personal experiences with family members that didn't have proper estate planning in place, and I've seen firsthand the problems that causes, and then the rewards of every day coming in and being able to solve problems for people that are, either grieving the loss of a loved one and having trouble handling it, or making sure that in the case of the worst case scenario that their family is protected.
The reason we love our work is we're really keeping families together. Our goal is that every person in Texas should have a will. And so I would like to take it statewide, and I think that technology helps us do that. And we look forward to growing the practice and helping more families out.
For more information about Martin Lawyers, go to martinlawyers.com or just check out our website, thebalancingact.com.